Thank you for joining me. Today I would like to show you how you can design a card in Adobe XD. Let's get started. Create an artboard. I have used a 1920 by 1080, and give it a name. Using a rectangle shape, create a card container. Give it a nice background. Using a type tool, type your card main title. Use the font style of your choice. I will be using Poppins, a Google free font. Add a small title. Now create your text box and add some text. Now create a button. Make some adjustments for the card to look nice. Now, let's add some colors to our card. If you are enjoying, please subscribe for more videos. Let's create a hover effect on our card. Now our card is looking better. Let's test its hover effect. Now that our card is working fine, let's make some adjustments to display two cards on this artboard. Our cards are done for now. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one when we design it using HTML and CSS in Visual Studio Code.